A well-made suspension lift kit lets you feel the thrill of an adventurous road. We all know that the average height of a Jeep isn't enough when you're on a hilly trip. That's when a lift kit offers you a nice lift. The wheels let you ride a bit higher, once you install a lift kit. There are lots of GMC 2500 HD lift kit in the market to go for. But which one is the best for you? Let's introduce you the top 5 best GMC 2500 HD lift kit. Let's take a look. Number 1, Supreme Suspension's Full Lift Kit. If you want to get the best lift kit for GMC 2500 HD, Supreme Suspension is the name. I'm sure that you won't find anything like this masterpiece. With this masterpiece, you can easily increase ground clearance like a snap. Key features: compatible with many Chevrolet Silverado models. Easy to install. Includes installation hardware. Renders improved appearance. Number 2, Wolf 1 to 3 inch front, 2 inch rear lift leveling kit. Wolf 1 to 3 inch front, 2 inch rear lift kit comes with lift torsion keys, extended bolts, rear lift blocks, and essential hardware. You will rarely have to pay your money for buying something extra to fit this in your vehicle. You can lift your truck for up to 3 inch and 1 inch at least if you use this outstanding lift kit. Key features: fits with 2001 to 2010 Chevrolet Silverado. Adjustable lift height of 1 to 3 inch. Simple installation. Built-in taper. Number 3, Torch 3 inch front, 2 inch rear lift kit. Torch 3 inch front, 2 inch rear lift kit will give you a worth every penny experience after setting it on the vehicle. The brand has been hailing the leveling and lifting industry for a very long time. This 3 inch lift kit for GMC 2500 HD is a sound choice for budget finders. Key features: fits with 2011 to 2020 GMC Sierra Chevy Silverado. Simple installation. Features shock extenders. Extended U-bolts for safety. Number 4, Rough Country 2 inch leveling kit. The Rough Country store enters the fold with one of the best lift kits for GMC 2500 HD models. When you install this product, you will get a blend of protection, style, and performance all wrapped into one. No matter if you own a Sierra or Silverado, this lift kit has potential for you. Key features: no drilling is required with this product. The installation time is very quick. Take on the elements with ease. FMVSS 16 compliant. Has warranty guard. 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. Number 5, Moto Fab Lifts TKGM 3500 WSE 1 to 3 inch leveling lift kit. If you need a 1 to 3 inch kit, then you are in the right place. With an adjustable key that raises the front between 1 to 3 inches, the front portion of this kit adds in shock extenders. Torsion keys are also available to add to the extension process. They are made of forged cast iron, so they will work for you year over year. Key features: amazing packaging with the product inside. Will give you plenty of room. Leveling is ideal with this product. No rubbing will happen with this product. No need for shock extenders. Half the price of other well-known lift kits. You now know what is the best lift kit for GMC 2500 HD. You should feel accomplished and ready to roll. By adding in a few more attributes, like installs and types of lift kits, you have everything to be successful. Now, it is just time for you to sit back and make a decision. Happy driving!